Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
सरकाराने कमिटी कॉन्स्टिट्यूट केली आहे सर, which basically is the first meeting has happened today as far as the social media restrictions on children below 16 has to be discussed. Complaints खूब येवंक लागल्या की social media usage भुरग्याच्या हातूंतल्यान खूब येता. When we are talking about social media, we are not talking about educational tools. As we want them to embrace technology, we also need to have a balance of them not getting misdirected. एक म्हणल्यार psychological risk, social risk, cyber security risk पयल्यो. जाल्यार we need to, it's time that states which are forward thinking like Goa start ensuring that their next generation, the future generation, is able to give demographic dividends to the particular state and the country in tune with our Honorable Prime Minister's vision of building Vikasit Bharat 2047. A basic discussion on our document has been done today, restricting them on social media usage like Instagram, reel making, other things are something which came up for discussion. So ह्या डिस्कशनांतल्यान सगळ्यांच्या कडल्यान इनपुट्स घेवन director consolidate करून document करून he will share it with all the whole stakeholders, and the final document along with our chief minister we will put it across to the central minister for IT.
No, but does the IT department has enough capabilities to stop it, saying that you're below 16?
आम्ही उलयल्या शब्द रिस्ट्रिक्शन्स आम्ही स्टॉप म्हणू ना. रिस्ट्रिक्ट करता आसतना कसो पॅरामिटर्स जाय ती टीम जेन्ना सगळी काडटली, दॅट वी आर पुटिंग अप विथ आवर IT मिनिस्टर. वी विल मीट हिम पर्सनली. मुख्यमंत्र्याकडे लेटर वतले.